In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag and stuttering here in Red Dead Redemption Mobile. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, and this is kind of unfortunate, but it is just the way that this game works for some reason, you're never going to want to play this game while your phone is charging. What it's going to do is overheat and lower your performance, and you definitely don't want that. If you are still having issues while you're not charging your phone though, select your map up in the very top right and it's going to pause your game. And from here, go down into the options section right here and specifically into the display tab. Once you're on the display tab, scroll down a little bit and you're looking for this graphics section right here. And what you're going to want to do is select it and switch from fidelity mode to performance mode. What this is going to do is slightly reduce your graphics, not even too much. As you can see, the game still looks great, but it's going to immediately boost your FPS and smooth out your gameplay. Also, make sure your phone is not on low power mode and close any background apps so all resources go towards running this game. And if you do that, this game is going to run absolutely perfect for you. Follow these steps and you'll notice so much less stuttering and lag while playing Red Dead Redemption Mobile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.